Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To our lecturer, Dr. Rosida binti Wan Abdul Aziz. We are from CS 2906B. We present our project for graph theory with application, where we choose Atlas Edible Ice Syndrome Company and 99 Speedmart branches in Seremban and Senawang as our research project. First of all, I will introduce our team members for this project. The first one is me, Afiqah Nur Najwa Huda binti Yahya Haris. The second person is Ahmad Naim bin Abdul Halim. The third person, Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Muhammad Hanif. The fourth person, Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Zaidi. And last but not least, Siti Nur Amira Shuhada binti Muhammad Hisham.
I will explain the introduction. 99 Speedmart is one of the supermarkets that receive ice cubes from Atlas Ice Company for each service they provide. An Atlas Ice Factory is located in Senawang, Seremban. Now, we will discover how actually Atlas Ice Company delivery its product to the 19th branch of the 99 Speedmart supermarket using optimal path. It is important for the company to know the best paths and the minimum cost for their deliveries, because it can save a lot of time, minimize full costs, avoid delay stock additions, and also raise the company's favorability in future. We discover there are two problems. First, which roads are more fast? 19 stores of 1999 Speedmart was picked to determine the fastest path for Atlas Ice Company lorries to transport their ice from Senawang, Seremban. The second problem is, does the path is optimal? The research is suggested in order to establish the shortest path so that the company may operate their business smoothly. There are three objectives. First, to determine the shortest total distance from ice factory to each 99 Speedmart outlet and return. Second is to determine the best cumulative cost of driving from the ice factory to each 99 Speedmart outlet and return. And the third, to observe the shortest time required to drive by vehicles from the factory to each 99 Speedmart stores and return to the factory.
Data collection. Based on observation at Atlas Edible Ice Syndrome factory in Seremban, there are at least 5 ice trucks. Each truck will use diesel fuel to move and deliver ice to a specific dock. Information on the price of diesel and how far it can be used is listed below. 1 liter equals to 12 kilometers equals to 2 ringgit and 15 cents for diesel. 1 kilometer equals to 0.0833 liters equals to 0.18. Each location has its known and then we selected the 19 branches of Speedmart that were located around Seremban and Senawang.
Cool.
The cost estimation is based on the number of money required to buy diesel to travel along the route by the lorries shown below. Distance cost equals to distance times 18 cents ringgit. What you see is an agency matrix. Based on the matrix above, the diagonal equals to 0 because there is no loop. As for the non-diagonal elements, they are equal to 1 because it shows from vertex to another vertex. Now what you see is a distance matrix. It is basically just an application of the adjacent matrix, like the zeros. But instead of the ones in the adjacent matrix, it uses the real distance value from one location to another location. Now, what you're seeing is the network graph for our project, where the network graph above shows the distance between a location to 19 other locations based on their actual distance. Each road is shown in a straight line and their length varies based on the distance value of a road.
Suggested routes with cheapest diesel cost. Based on Google coding, it gives us the suggestion way starting from the Atlas Edible Ice Factory in Seremban, and then it will cover all 19 selected 99 Speedmart around Seremban and Senawang. And lastly, it will return back to its factory in Seremban. So, the total kilometers that give to us is 120.1 kilometers to cover all of this branch starting from its factory and return back to its factory. So, to cover all of the roads, the lorry just need to pay 21 ringgit and 98 cents only to make sure it can deliver all of this 99 Speedmart branch of its ice.
For the hour coding by using Google Colab, this is how we will code our distance matrix in this software. First of all, we will install some important coding just like we install OR2 especially. And then, we insert our distance matrix based on our data collection. If you can see here, we already put 5 number of lorries that will be used in our coding. As we run all of this coding and the answer, it shows 5 lorries did not move from the factory, and it will provide us to use only 1 lorry to cover every location that used in this project.
As a result, it takes truck 122.1 kilometers to deliver the ice cube to all 19 locations, costing 21 ringgit and 98 cents in total for diesel. In situation where there is need to go there quickly, the shortest path might be important. Shorter path algorithm can be used in network design and analysis to determine the best path for communication or transportation networks. By reducing the amount of time, money, or distance need to get there, the shortest path may also be applied to improve a system or process.